Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to create a user in Couchbase. Under security, users and groups. As of now, we don't have any users to display. I'm going to create a new user, add user, username, read user. I'm using same password. If you want this read user to access only a specific bucket, you can do that by selecting specific bucket. For example, I want to allow this read user to access only rep-bucket, that to read only access. So I can click on it. Data reader I can select, and data DCP reader also I can select. I can select query select. I don't want to provide any write privileges, so I'm not selecting anymore. Click add user. Now my user is added. Let me log in using this user. I should only see one bucket. Username read user. You can see only rep-bucket. Click on documents. He can only view it. He can't edit or delete it. You can see all these icons grayed out except this one. I'm trying to modify something, but I'm not able to. Now let me create one more user who can write into the cluster. Naming it as write user. For all the buckets, you should be able to write and monitor. Now before logging off read user, if you see read user is not even getting the statistics tab here, so he can't even monitor it properly. Let me log out and log in as write user. You can see this user does not have permission to log into the UI because we have only granted writer role, which does not have web console privilege. You can see other roles does have. For example, you can see query system catalogs, UI, HDCR admin, UI is able to log in, read only admin, also UI able to log in. So for that, I want to give query select also, which is having UI privilege. Let me click on edit. Query select. Now let me try to log in again. Now I am able to log in as write user. I am able to see all the buckets. Let me click on documents. I am able to add new documents also as write user. And if you see here, write user also not able to see the statistics. For that, let me go back and grant required role. Let me grant read only admin also and see whether write user is able to get the statistics. Now you can see write user is able to see the statistics. To change the user password, you can click on the username and change the password. Enter the current password and new password. Let me log out. Administrator can reset any user password by clicking here, and he can set the new password. That is all about how to create a user with read-only privileges as well as write privileges. Thanks for your time. See you in the next lecture.